Corona.
That time check was brought to you by Arena Plus Sportsbook. Arena Plus. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop. That news was brought to you by Arena Plus Sportsbook. Arena Plus. Gambling is for 21 years old and above only. Gambling can be addictive. Know when to stop.
That portion was brought to you by MX3. Dito ako believe.
That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix.
Ako po si Rodel ng Pampanga. Sekreto ko kung bakit mukhang bumata at pumuti ako. Santon Gold Coffee Mix. Dahil may collagen at glutathione nito. Kaya subukan niyo na rin.
Santon Gold Coffee Mix. Nagkape ka na, lalakas at gaganda ka pa. Habili sa kabutika.
Mula sa #1 Smart Dishwashing Paste.
Ang galing-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste ko. Pritong ulam na masebo. Plato o kaldero. Tanggaling for everyday.
Ganyan pag Smart ang dishwashing paste. May double tanggaling formula. Tanggal galing ang sebo at bakterya.
Bahid para walang bahid. Linis fantastic sa metal at plastic. #1 ko to. Tanggaling-galing mo. Smart dishwashing paste.
Heavy duty linis bawat pahid.
Smart Dishwashing Paste, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Vitamin C. Ang alkaline na vitamin C.
Ako si Julie. Lagi ako nagkaka-rashes dahil sa aking allergy. Nang sinubukan ko ang Santon Vitamin C, hindi na ako sinusumpong ng aking mga allergy.
Santon Vitamin C. Ang alkaline na vitamin C. Mabibili sa pinakamalapit na butika sa inyong lugar.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit.
Charm Fab Gold. Bakit makabloom sa charm? Walang amoy kulong. Kahit sampay sa loob. Bangong makabloom sa charm.
Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Santon Plus Gold.
Nga pala si Tony. Problema ko ang paglaki ng aking prostate. Nang malaman ko ang kaepektibo ng Santon Plus Gold, sinubukan ko ito at sa loob lamang ng 2 buwan, lumiit na ang prostate ko at nakakalakad na ako.
Santon Plus Gold. Mas pinalakas, pinagaling, pinahusay. Santon Plus Gold. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Si Mommy at si Washing Machine believe sa Pride Washing Machine Detergent.
Hello, Washi!
Hello, Mommy!
Laundry day na naman. Ready ka na sa mancha, chocolate, putik, libag?
Kaya yan ang Pride Washing Machine Detergent. May triple stain-away formula. Tanggal ang makapit, madikit, at malupit na dumit mancha. Easy ang labada.
Mula noon hanggang ngayon. All you need is pride. All you need is pride.
Pride Detergent, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified, world-class quality.
ACS.
Araw-araw, MX3 para MX-Traordinary. With alpha, beta, gamma na sangkap nito. Tunay, original at natural na suplemento. With MX3,
So coffee and tea.
with MX3,
It's for you and me.
with MX3, dito ako believe.
Hello, beautiful people! Ako ang inyong tita Winnie Cordero. MX3 Capsule. Dito ako bilib.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Be extraordinary with MX3. DCXL News. Ang himpilan ng RMN.